Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In a world where every other smartphone company seems obsessed with cloning the latest iPhone or Samsung, there's one underground king that refuses to follow the crowd. It stands tall, carving its own path, and its name is Sony. There is a buzz in the tech corridors right now, and it's all about the Sony Xperia 10 Mark VIII. Is Sony about to flip the script on the mid-premium market? Could this be the dark horse of 2026? Let's dive deep into the specs and find out. Design and display. Right out of the box, you'll realize this isn't your average slab phone. Sony's signature tall and slim aesthetic makes this device incredibly ergonomic. It fits in your palm like it was designed for human hands, not robots. It features a premium matte finish glass and polycarbonate blend that keeps fingerprints at bay. With an IP68 rating, you can take it out in the rain for some moody street photography without breaking a sweat. The gorgeous 6.1-inch OLED display uses Sony's Bravia TV tech and Trillumino's color science to make visuals punchy and vibrant. Plus, we are expecting a 120Hz refresh rate, and the best part is there is no notch or punch hole. Sony keeps the bezels thin and hides the camera in the top border, giving you a completely uninterrupted, full-screen cinematic experience. Pro-grade camera setup. Sony is the king of sensors, and they're stepping up their game here. We are looking at a 50-megapixel primary sensor with a larger pixel size, meaning your low-light shots will be crisp, clean, and noise-free. You also get an 13-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. There is no fake, AI-generated blur here. You get that authentic, natural bokeh that makes your portraits look like they came from a dedicated mirrorless camera. For the creators, the Video Pro mode offers manual control over shutter speed, ISO, and white balance, making it a dream come true for vloggers who want professional control on the go. Performance in the audiophile's dream. Under the hood, we expect the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, paired with 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM. It's fast, efficient, and handles multitasking like a breeze. Gamers will love the Game Enhancer mode, which blocks background distractions so you can stay in the zone. The real killer feature is that while everyone else is ditching the 3.5mm headphone jack, Sony is holding the line. Combined with high-res audio support, you're getting pure, uncompressed, crystal clear sound that today's dongle-life phones just can't match. You're also getting a clean, bloatware-free Android 16 experience, backed by 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches. Battery life. Sony's software optimization is legendary, and with a 5000 mAh battery paired with their stamina mode, this phone is a marathon runner. Plus, their adaptive charging tech ensures your battery health stays in top shape for years, not just months. It's built for longevity, ensuring that your device stays as reliable as the day you unboxed it. Price and launch date. We're expecting an MSRP around the $500 $550 range, positioning it as a premium-feeling option for the budget-conscious enthusiast. If you want a phone with a massive, gimmick-heavy camera bump or a wide screen the size of a tablet, this isn't for you. But if you value ergonomics, authentic audio, build quality, and a brand that dares to be different, this might just be your best investment in 2026. What do you think? Is Sony the breath of fresh air the smartphone market needs, or should they stick to their professional camera lineup? Drop a comment below. I'm dying to hear your take.